Assalamu alaikum, Movies Iqbal here. Today we shall learn the topic of addition, and in this lesson you will be able to learn how to add the two-digit numbers into two-digit numbers. So let's start. Here is an example in front of you, students. We have to add 23 into 11. So first of all, we will place this number vertically into place value chart, as you can see, and we will place the addition sign. अब हम क्या करेंगे, अब हम वंस कॉलम के जो डिजिट्स हैं उनको ऐड करेंगे, and we know that in the ones column here is the digit 3 and the digit 1. Now we will add them. When we will add the digit 3, like 1 2 3, we will add this number to the ones, into the ones. So what will we get? So let's count. 1 2 3 and 4. When we will add 3 into 1, we get the number 4, and we will write 4 in the ones column. Now it's a turn of the tens column. अब हम tens column में जो digits हैं उनको ऐड करेंगे, and we can see at tens place here is the number 2 and the digit 1. Now we will add the digit 2 into 1. So students, which number we will get? Let's count. 1 2 and 3. We get 3, and we will write 3 in the tens column. So we know that when we will add 23 into 11, we get the number 34. This is a very easy way to solve the sum of the two digits number. Now it's your home task. You have to add these numbers in your maths notebook, and if you have any problem regarding the lesson or any question regarding the lesson, so you can contact me at my email ID. Have a nice day.